Hi, I'm Larry. This is Carter's Country. Got Brett from Huxwrx with us. I'm really having to think to say that now, but Huxwrx nailed it twice in a row in one video. Pretty proud of that. This particular can here is one you told me about from an earlier video. It's the one I think I'm going to probably start my collection with. So go ahead and introduce it and take us through why I need this. So when my wife sees this, she'll realize it's a need and not a want. And then also why the customers would want it.
You can just click play and put the screen in front of her and she'll go, okay, I understand. Yeah, I got you.
It's that easy.
This was a new suppressor launch for SHOT Show 2025. This is the Flow Range 36 Ti. 6.7 inches long, roughly 12 ounces in weight. It is 3D printed grade 5 titanium, again full auto rated with no minimum barrel restrictions. What's really nice about the suppressor is it sort of checks that do-all suppressor box. Everything from 9mm and down, whether it's pistols or PCCs, and then up to 338 Lapua mag and rifles. So we have a pistol rating and a Magnum rifle rating all in one suppressor.
A big Magnum rifle rating. That encompasses just about any rifle anybody in the state of Texas would hunt with.
Yeah, well, yeah, pretty much for the most part. Yeah, absolutely. On the back end, it is the industry standard hub adaptable suppressor. The end user will get it like this with our hub 2.0 on the back end. So this will allow you to mount this suppressor to any of the Huxwrx muzzle devices. If you have other brand muzzle devices that you use already, you can actually unscrew this hub and then screw that brand muzzle device hub into the back of this. This allows you to jump the suppressor from gun to gun. You also have the option to take the hub out and you can put a direct thread option there. If you want to put it on a bolt gun for backcountry hunting and want to ditch the extra weight or extra parts you don't need, direct thread, put it on your bolt gun and you're good to go.
Okay.
The other part about this being 9mm is that oftentimes on PCCs or pistol caliber carbines, we're seeing tri-lug becoming more and more common. You can put a tri-lug option in the back of this, stab on the tri-lug twist, and your suppressor on your gun, you're ready to go. There's no having to chase threads.
Yeah, and the pistol carbines is a growing market. We've seen it here.
Yeah.
What really tells you it's a growing market is you see the big boys like Smith & Wesson, Ruger, and all them plunging into it. That tells you it's taking hold and everybody's wanting a piece of it. So good to know that this would be an option for that as well.
Absolutely, yeah. Any more questions about this one?
I don't think so, man. You've told me already more about it than I need to know because it's going to cost me money. But that's one of the things about working at a place like Carter's Country is you understand a fair amount of your paycheck is going to go back into the business. They're really smart to hire people like me because we basically work for products.
They get their paycheck back.
Pretty much, yeah.
Oh, one thing I didn't mention, again, Huxwrx flow through technology. You're venting all that excess debris and gas out the front of the suppressor, which makes it where you don't have to tune your gas gun to run suppressed. No adjustable buffer wakes, buffer springs, or having to adjust your gas block with these suppressors.
I think that's a huge thing because when you know, going to the 300 blackout, when that became a thing, everybody rushed into it and then realized, oh wait, I've got a problem here. So it's nice to know that we've engineered past that now, that you guys have fixed that for us.
Yep.
Great. All right, folks, remember, if you've ever shopped, shot, or hunted with us, you're already a part of the Carter's Country family. Till next time,
adios.
I've got big cans, little cans.
Short cans and long cans. Cans for the whole family. Hey guys, Brett from Huxwrx here. We're doing a mega suppressed demo range day at Carter's Country, Saturday, September 27th from 10 a.m. Come shoot some cans and have a great time. Okay, mega suppressed demo range day.
If you don't mind, like Larry's always embarrassed to like do the funny stuff. Justin's more willing to embarrass himself. That's why he's my favorite.
Hey guys, Brett from Huxwrx here. Join us at the Carter's Country Super Bangapalooza-thon Can Demo Day, where we have giant cans. This Saturday, I'm joking, I'm starting over. I just screwed all up from the beginning. I just wanted to run with it to see what would happen. She's cringing. He's behind the camera like, oh no. Do you like big cans? Come to Carter's Country. We're demoing suppressors today.